everyone, Caroline with you today to show you the gorgeous blue shades available on the Lindy store. I have all mine in a little plastic container like this. They are easy to grab while I'm creating. So I made a little swatch like this on watercolor paper, and then I can show you the real shade color gives to you. I have flat Fabios and starbursts. Remember that the flat Fabios have no shimmer in it. This is pure color, and the starbursts have shiny powder in them. You can see here. So here I have the darker shades, and here you can see the blues are quite alike. And you can see that I have 2 times hydrangea blue. I didn't notice before, so this is a good surprise because I really like this shade. You can see how gorgeous are the shimmer and some of them. The baby blue eyes aqua is back order, but you can grab the delphinium turquoise. That is quite the same. I had a big crush on Tainted Love Teal in her January kit. You can still buy it individual on the store. Here I have the lighter shades. To see the beautiful sparkling and Sassy Sapphire. I really love Azure Sea Asters. The shimmer in it is like a light gold. I don't know if you can see it at the camera. And my favorite of all time, Tiffany Lou Blue. So it gives you a good idea of what they look like on paper, and I hope it will helps you to make a choice when getting on the store. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.